This is Algebra 1, Lesson 32, Practice. We're doing word problems where you find the missing number. Here's problem A. 4 times a number. Well, we don't know what the number is, so we're going to call it n. And let's write 4 times n. So that's 4 times the number. Decreased by 8, so that's going to be subtracting 8, equals 92. 4 times a number decreased by 8 equals 92. Let's find the number. We're going to need to add 8 to both sides. 4n is equal to 100. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4. And we get n is equal to 25. Now, they asked us to check that answer, so let's go back and check it. 4 times a number, and we think it's 25, decreased by 8 equals 92. This would be 100, and when you subtract 8 from it, you get 92. B. If the product of 4 and a number, which is going to be n, product is multiplying, so we're going to multiply 4 and n. If the product of 4 and a number is decreased by 12, the result is, that's an equal sign, twice the opposite of the number. Here's your twice, 2 times, the opposite of the number. They want you to find the number. I can't really simplify anything on the left side, but on the right side, 2 times negative 1n is just negative 2n. And I can copy down what's on the left side. Now I have variables on both sides. I could subtract the 4n from both sides, or I could add the 2n to both sides. Let's add the 2n to both sides, just so we can deal with a 0. You could have done it the other way, and that's fine. Now here, don't get stuck. I see a lot of students right here, they just stop. And they're like, wait, I can't do this. Or I've even seen some students do this. They'll change this subtraction symbol into an equals and just keep going, okay? But you can't move your equal sign. And there is something. There's a number here. Negative 2n plus 2n, it cancels out, so that means there's 0 on this side. Don't be afraid to use that 0. Now, we've got 6n minus 12, so we're going to add 12 to both sides. And look, now we don't have 0 on that side anymore. So we've got 6n is equal to 12. Now what we can do is we can divide both sides by 6. And we get n is equal to 2. So we think that the number is 2. Let's check it. If the product of 4 and the number is decreased by 12, the result is twice the opposite of the number. Let's do it. There's 8 minus 12 is equal to 2 times negative 2. 8 minus 12 is negative 4. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And our solution works.